Pronto aligners are the ultimate value proposition for your aligner cases. Premium aligners at an unbeatable price, plus game-changing extras. Free mid-course refinement replanning. Lab Pronto also offers predictable results with full anatomical route-based planning designed to eliminate those mid-course refinements. As an added bonus, we include the entire remote monitoring package, the scope, the patient app, and the clinical dashboard absolutely free. No manual setup required. Your case is automatically prepped and activated in Blue Sky monitoring the moment the aligners ship. In this video, I will demonstrate how to place your aligner order via Lab Pronto and how the data and the case is automatically transferred and applied to Blue Sky monitoring as soon as your aligners ship. Select orthodontics, aligners, and then scroll down to choose the option for complete clear aligner package and click the Order Now button to get started. Confirm that you've selected the service Complete Clear Aligner package and you've chosen the option to prepare a clinical digital aligner tooth setup. Select the relevant patient or click Add New Patient to add a new patient. Go ahead and click on Next. Proceed to complete the prescription form by entering the relevant clinical options. Go ahead and click on Next. We highly recommend uploading a CT scan if you have one available for true anatomical mechanics aligners to reduce those mid-course refinement cases. Select the relevant options from the drop-down, and what is most important, especially for this video, is to check the checkbox Activate BlueSkyMonitoring.com upon case completion free. Go ahead and click on Next. Select the relevant shipping options and then click Continue to attach data files. Click Attach STL files, navigate to location on the computer, select the relevant STL files, and then click Open. As mentioned earlier, if you have a CT scan, we highly recommend attaching the CT scan for true anatomical aligner planning. Go ahead and attach any additional files as necessary. Once the relevant files have been uploaded, you can click the Order Now button. If it's taking a few minutes for the CT scan or other files to upload, simply check the checkbox and the case will be submitted as soon as the upload completes. Go ahead and click on the Order Now button. A confirmation will appear on screen that the order has been placed successfully. Once the digital treatment plan has been prepared, you will receive a notification to review and approve the treatment plan. You will be in direct communication with the planner so you can discuss any questions or concerns. Once the aligners have been shipped, you will receive a notification that the job has been completed. You could track the shipment, indicate that the package has been received, rate the job, or open the PDF case report. Let's click Package Received. And then you'll automatically be asked to rate the job based on turnaround time, service, and of course, quality of the product. Shortly thereafter, you will receive a notification that your aligner case for patient, our patient is Sky Blue, is now active on Blue Sky Monitoring. Simply click the button, Open BlueSkyMonitoring.com. Review and confirm the settings and information that has been automatically populated on screen. Sky Aligners Treatment, as our patient's name is Blue Sky. Aligners. Start date, we have the start date here as to when the patient's going to be getting their aligners. You can modify it here or you can modify it at a later point if that needs to be changed. Any description that you would like to add, as well as checkboxes. Ask for fit rating on aligner change will prompt the patient to indicate how the aligners are fitting when they're told to change their aligners. Immediate trial patient education scan and fit rating is highly recommended. It will allow you to do the first scan together with the patient when the patient's in your office. It's an immediate trial education scan, and the option to require dentist approval before aligner change, which means that you'll be prompted to review this incoming scans, and only after you review the scans and approved will the patient be prompted to change their aligners. We have the number of aligner sets and change frequency, which is automatically pre-populated based on the software settings. But again, you could go ahead and make any modifications necessary. The relevant data files have been automatically attached. These are the data files from the aligner digital treatment plan, which will allow you to do a side-by-side comparison between digital tooth setup at the particular aligner step, as well as the incoming scans from the patient, again, for that particular stage. You'll have a side-by-side comparison between the digital treatment plan for that aligner step, as well as the incoming scans from the patient for the particular aligner step. Proceed. From the patient's information, and very important, their email as well as their phone number. They will be receiving notifications as to when to perform a scan, as to when to change their aligners. So it's very important that you confirm the information here is correct, and then go ahead and click on Save. We can now see that our patient, Sky Blue, has been activated in Blue Sky Monitoring. We have a complete schedule as to when the patient should be changing their aligners, as to when they should be performing a scan, information as to their start date, their current aligner, next aligner change, and frequency. If any information regarding the patient's treatment needs to be updated, such as the start date as to when they receive their aligners, simply click the Edit button, and any necessary modifications can be made. If you would like to make any changes as to the type of scans should be performing, simply click View My Scanning Defaults. And here you could review and modify when the patient should be prompted to scan and the type of scans they should be performing.